Hi all, welcome to Sri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials. Okay. So due to the COVID-19 situation, the offline customer has been currently stopped. Okay. So if you want to collect the orders in offline, you can book the products over online and you can come and collect it offline. Okay. So offline direct customers is currently stop as of now. Okay, so only we are accepting the online orders. You can come and collect in offline. Okay, in nearby location you can come and collect in offline, but you can choose the products only in online. Okay, so that's how we are processing. Today I have some tussar silk sarees. All of them are priced at 900 rupees. There are two different patterns. Okay, one is a zari pattern and other is a thread resham pattern. Okay, so all of them are priced at 900 rupees. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product cost and the shipping cost. So the total product cost plus total shipping charges plus 100 rupees has to be calculated for COD orders. Okay, so normal shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. Okay, so I will go with the sarees now. So all of them are tussar silk sarees. All of them are tussar silk sarees. So you have a mild zari border coming in this design. Okay, and you have different types of butta. All of them are zari buttas. Okay, this saree has a floral butta. It's a grey shaded one. Okay, so I will go open the saree. It's a grey shade. Okay, both the corners you have a mild zari work. Okay, mild zari work, and this is the design and the body part. Okay, you have a very tiny zari buttas. Okay, it's a floral butta in this saree. Okay, this is how the body part will be looking, and you have the pallu, a striped pallu, a chit pallu kind of a thing. Okay, along with the buttas. Okay, even in the pallu you have the buttas along with the lined pallu. Okay, so you have the running blouse in the saree. The blouse will be coming similar to the saree. Okay, it's a full 6.3 meter saree. So this saree has been matched with a tissue blouse with purple shade. Okay, so purple shaded tissue blouse is matched together. So this is the full look of the saree. Hope you can able to get the full view. Okay, it's a light grey with purple combination, full zari buttas coming. So this is the body part. Okay, I will give you the closer look of the butta view also. Okay, you have this kind of a floral butta, and this is the pallu, a golden striped pallu along with the butta. You have the running blouse, but we are matching the saree with a tissue blouse with a mild work. This saree will be looking very great. Okay, so this is the full look of the saree. Please take the screenshots for all the orders and enquiries. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. So you can see the full work here. Okay, all of them are zari. I'm moving to the next one now. Next is a baby pink shade with this kind of a butta here. So this is the body part. Okay, it's a baby pink shade. Okay, this is how the saree will be there. Actually there is a mild color variation coming. Okay, it's a very light baby pink. Okay, a lovely color, and this is the pallu. All of these sarees, all of the zari sarees having the same kind of a pallu. Okay, only the buttas will be changing. Okay, this have this kind of a floral chakra butta. Okay, so this is the body part, and this is the pallu part. Okay, so full zari work matched with a gold tissue pallu, blouse piece. Okay, this is the second saree. All of these sarees are priced at 900 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. So moving with the next one. Next one is ivory white, half white color with a jhumka styled butta. Okay, hope you can able to see the jhumka style and also the borders. Okay. So this is how the saree will be looking. All of them are lightweight sarees. Okay, all of them are lightweight sarees. It's a ivory white color. Okay, it's ivory white with jhumka styled buttas, and this is the pallu. Okay, I striped this golden saree pallu with along with the buttas. So this is the entire look of the sarees matched with a pink shaded tissue blouse. Okay, this is the next saree. Please take the screenshots for all the orders and inquiries and WhatsApp me 9150556870. That's my WhatsApp number. You can as well inbox me to my page Sri Purnima. So moving with the next, a parrot green shade with a peacock butta. Okay, it's a parrot green. Okay, this is a butta here, and you can see the style of a border. So all of them, the buttas will be the same. Okay, it's a peacock butta, a full peacock butta. Okay, it's a parrot green shade. There is some color difference coming again in the video. It's a parrot green shade, a very lovely color. Okay, this is the pallu. This is the pallu, and okay, this is the body part. Okay, very nice color. So this is how the saree will be looking, matched with the golden tissue blouse piece. Okay, actually in live, in the reality, you can see, you can actually see the richness of the saree. Okay, these are very simple party wear sarees. Okay, very simple saree, but look, it will look very elegant. The next one is a sea green shade. Okay, with a peacock and inside the chakra design. Okay, and also the pallu, a full peacock border. Okay, this is how the saree will be looking. All of them are tussar silk sarees. So this is how the body will be looking. Okay, it's a sea green color with a full peacock inside chakra butta, zari butta, and you have the normal striped pallu, a lined pallu. Okay, golden zari pallu along with the buttas. So this is how the saree will be looking. Okay, a simple work on the blouse along with the saree. It will be looking very, very rich and elegant. So this is a sea green tussar silk. Okay, priced at 900 rupees. Shipping charges extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. And you have a sea blue color, sorry, not sea blue, it's a sky blue color along with the peacock design butta. So this is how the body part will be looking. It's a sky blue shade. Okay, you have the border at the purple color. Okay, a tiny double border is given, and this is the pallu, a striped pallu along with the butta. It's a sky blue color with gold. All of them are zari buttas, Actually, I have a little sprain in my hand so that I couldn't able to move quickly. Sorry for the inconvenience. So this is the next one, and it's matched for the border. Okay, it's a purplish pink tissue blouse. Okay, all together it's priced at 900 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. Please take the screenshots for all the orders and enquiries and WhatsApp me at 91505 or inbox me to my page Sri Purnima. So the next design, it's a thread woven design in the same tussar silk. The fabric is tussar silk, only the buttas are thread woven. The previous one is full zari woven. This one is thread woven. These are all resham buttas. The price is same. Okay, this is a different shade of a light green. Okay, a magandi kind of a green. Okay, it's a light green, a different shade of a green. The color is not coming correct in the live video. Okay, actually the color is a kind of a magandi, light magandi green color. Okay, full thread woven. The buttas are resham woven. Okay, resham buttas, and you have the border. Okay, you have this kind of a border, a small tiny zari along with the contrasting border. Okay, and you have the pallu. The pallu is also a thread woven pallu. Okay, you have the thread line coming here, and the blouse the same as a pallu. Okay, you have the blouse same as a pallu, a lined pallu with the borders, a small zari, golden zari, and also the borders. Okay, so this is how the first saree will be looking. Okay, all of them are thread woven pallu, sorry, border. Okay, it's a thread woven. It's a resham butta. The fabric is a tussar silk. It will be very, very soft, and it gives you a rich look also. Okay, the color is varying. It's a kind of a light green, a magandi shaded light green color. So this is the next one. The pallu and the blouse will be same. So please take the screenshots for all the orders and enquiries. So this is the next one. I'm moving to the next set. Sorry. So the next one is a orange with a green now. Okay, green shaded one. You have this kind of a butta. Okay, two buttas here. So this is the body part. Okay, you have a thread buttas here. All of them are resham buttas. And the pallu. Okay, a green color, dark green color combination, orange bush, and the blouse piece without buttas. Okay, the blouse will not will not have the buttas here. Okay, so this is how the saree will be looking. Orange with dark green combination. So it's a dark orange. Okay, it's not a light orange, it's a dark orange. So I'm moving with the next one. So this is the body part. Okay, this is how the body will be looking. I'm moving with the next one. Next is a sandal, dark sandal with brown combination, and you have the yali design. Okay, yali butta here. This is good. It's a dark sandal with brown combination. Okay, a nice color combination. Due to the tubelight effect, there might be color variation coming in video and pictures. Okay, we are not having any effects, special effects. Only the tube lighting will be different. And you have the striped blouse. And this is how the saree will be looking. Okay, the fabric is tussar silk. A very lightweighted saree. It gives you a shiny look. Okay, the tussar will give a shiny look. Okay, I'm moving to the next. So body part, it's a full yali butta. This is the next one. It's a green with brown shade, and you have the boxed butta. Okay, this is how the butta will be looking. A box with floral designs coming. Okay, it has a two-tone shade. Okay, it's a green and brown shade in the border. So this is the body part. Okay, you have a boxed buttas here. It's a green color, light shaded dark green color. So that's how we can able to say it. It's a dark green shade. Okay, one of the shade of the dark green, and you have the brown combination. This is the blouse piece, and this is the pallu. Okay, this is the pallu part. The blouse is coming following the pallu. So this is the blouse piece, and this is the sari. Okay, this is how the sari will be looking. All of them are priced at 900 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. So you can refer all my collections in my WhatsApp catalog. So in my profile there will be a field as catalog. So all my available collections are listed there. You can refer to that as well. The next one is a mustard yellow with a brown combination, light brown combination, and you have the chakra butta here. It's a mustard yellow with brown. So this is how the saree will be looking. Okay, it's a mustard yellow with brown. And this is the pallu part, a striped pallu along with the buttas, and the blouse piece and the saree part, body part. Okay, all over the body you will be getting the same kind of a butta designs. Okay, the fabric is very lightweight. It's a mustard yellow, not bright yellow. It's a mustard yellow. So the last one, a light orange with green combination. The orange is not coming correctly in the video. So this is the pallu part. You have a border here. Okay, sorry. This is the border. Okay, you have the border here. You have a thread design coming in the border along with the zari boot. Okay, so this is how the border will be looking. You can see the peacock designs, and in one end only just the border is there. Only the zari border is given. In the bottom you have the double border, and you have a peacock butta here. So this is how the butta will be looking, and you have the lined pallu along with, just a minute, sorry, actually you have the pallu here. Okay, you have the pallu following with the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Okay, this is the pallu. Okay, the pallu stops here and the blouse follows here. Okay, and this is how the saree will be looking. All of the fabric is a tussar silk with two different patterns. Price at 900 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. It's actually a kind of a dark orange. The orange color is not coming correctly in the live video. Okay, so for all the orders and enquiries, please take the screenshots and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. If you want more real pictures, please text me, please message me so that I can share you more real pictures of the saree that you wanted. So that's all I have for today. Stay tuned for the next updates. Please like my page so that you can follow all my real updates. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.